I've built some wild stuff in my garage, giant Nerf guns, squirrel obstacle courses, and every project is full of trial and error. But what happens when that trial and error happens on a massive scale, and the consequences are catastrophic? Today, we're diving into the deadliest engineering mistakes in history, failures that cost thousands of lives. We'll break down what went wrong, why it happened, and the lessons learned. These disasters forced the world to rethink safety, design, and responsibility. As tragic as they are, they change the way we build forever. Let's get into it. Our first story is the St. Francis Dam disaster in 1928, Southern California. LA needed water, and William Mulholland, a self-taught engineer, built the St. Francis Dam to store it. For 2 years, it held back 12 billion gallons of water. On March 12, Mulholland inspected a new leak and declared it safe. Hours later, the dam disintegrated. A 140-foot wall of water roared down the canyon, obliterating everything for 54 miles. Santa Paula, nearly 40 miles away, was buried under 25 feet of water and debris. The official death toll, 431, but many more were never found. It remains California's second deadliest disaster. The investigation revealed a fatal flaw. The dam was built on unstable rock that turned to mush when wet. The dismissed leak was a warning. Water was undermining the foundation. Mulholland took full responsibility and never recovered. The disaster led to stricter dam safety standards and mandatory independent reviews. It was a brutal reminder. What's beneath a structure is as important as the structure itself. The St. Francis Dam failure changed dam engineering forever. It showed that even the best intentions can't overcome ignoring the ground you build on. Today, every major dam project starts with a deep look at the geology. The lessons from this tragedy still echo in every dam built since. Sometimes, the smallest oversight can unleash unimaginable destruction, and that's why we never ignore the warning signs. Next up, the infamous Tacoma Narrows Bridge, Gallopin Gertie. Opened in 1940, it was sleek, narrow, and dangerously flexible. Even in moderate winds, the bridge undulated like a roller coaster. Engineers thought it was safe, but they hadn't considered aerodynamics. Solid plate girders made the deck act like an airplane wing, trapping wind. On November 7, 1940, steady winds triggered aeroelastic flutter. The bridge twisted violently, caught on film as it buckled and collapsed. Miraculously, only a dog was lost, but the footage became legendary. The disaster forced engineers to take wind seriously in bridge design. Wind tunnel testing became standard, and new bridges used open trusses to let air pass through. Tacoma Narrows was a wake-up call. Ignore the wind, and nature will win. Today, every suspension bridge owes its safety to the lessons learned from Gallopin Gertie. Sometimes the most elegant designs hide fatal flaws. The world watched a bridge dance itself to death, and engineering changed forever. Aerodynamics is now at the heart of every major bridge project. Now, a disaster on a scale almost beyond comprehension. The Banqiao Dam collapse in China, 1975. Built to control floods and generate power, Banqiao was called the Iron Dam, supposedly unbreakable. But Typhoon Nina dumped a year's worth of rain in 3 days. Sluice gates jammed. Communication failed, and the dam was overwhelmed. When Banqiao broke, a 20-foot wall of water swept away entire towns. 62 dams failed in a domino effect. The initial flood killed tens of thousands instantly. Disease and famine claimed over 100,000 more. The total death toll, up to 171,000, possibly the deadliest structural failure ever. The engineering mistake? Designers underestimated rainfall and neglected flood discharge systems. Safety and maintenance were ignored in favor of ambition. Banqiao's collapse was a terrifying lesson. Nature doesn't care about our calculations. The disaster was hidden for decades, but its lessons are clear. Never underestimate the power of water or the cost of ignoring safety. Today, dam design worldwide is shaped by the tragedy at Banqiao. Ambition without caution can be deadly. July 17, 1981, Hyatt Regency, Kansas City. A night of celebration turned to horror. The hotel's grand atrium featured suspended walkways packed with partygoers. Suddenly, the fourth-floor walkway crashed onto the second, then both plummeted to the lobby below. In seconds, 114 people were dead, over 200 injured, the deadliest structural collapse in U.S. history at the time. The cause? A fatal design change during construction. The original plan called for a single threaded rod to support both walkways. The contractor switched to two shorter rods, doubling the load on a single connection. No one recalculated the forces. The change was approved over the phone. The overloaded connection failed, and disaster struck. The investigation blamed the engineering firm for failing to review the change. The lesson: even a minor, undocumented change can be catastrophic. Communication and oversight are non-negotiable in engineering. The Hyatt disaster rewrote building codes and inspection standards. Every detail matters. Lives depend on it. Today, the tragedy is a case study in the cost of cutting corners. Never assume a small change is safe without checking the math. April 26, 1986. Chernobyl, the world's worst nuclear disaster. A routine safety test spiraled out of control, triggering an explosion that released 400 times more radiation than Hiroshima. The RBMK reactor design was fundamentally flawed, unstable at low power, with a deadly feedback loop. Operators disabled safety systems and ran the reactor in its most dangerous state. A power surge hit. The emergency shutdown made things worse due to graphite-tipped control rods. The reactor exploded, spewing radioactive material across Europe. Firefighters rushed in, unaware of the radiation. Many died within weeks. The Soviet government tried to hide the disaster, but the fallout was impossible to conceal. Over 350,000 people were evacuated. The exclusion zone remains a ghost town. Chernobyl exposed the dangers of flawed design, secrecy, and human error. The disaster changed nuclear safety worldwide. It's a stark reminder. With immense power comes immense responsibility. Chernobyl's lessons are written in radioactive ash. April 24, 2013, Rana Plaza, Dhaka, Bangladesh. An 8-story building collapsed, killing over 1,100 people. The building was designed for shops, not factories, but illegal floors and heavy machinery overloaded it. Built on a filled-in pond with shoddy materials, cracks appeared the day before. Shops closed, but garment workers were forced back under threat of lost wages. The building pancaked in seconds, trapping thousands. Rescue efforts lasted weeks, but the disaster was no mystery. Weak foundation, illegal construction, and greed caused the collapse. The tragedy exposed the dark side of fast fashion and unsafe working conditions. Global outrage led to new safety agreements and inspections. Rana Plaza is a brutal reminder. Cutting corners for profit costs lives. The responsibility for safety extends from engineers to consumers. The world can't afford to ignore these warnings. Every building stands on the foundation of lessons learned from disasters like Rana Plaza. Our final story, the Quebec Bridge, Canada, a project that failed not once, but twice. Designed to be the world's longest cantilever bridge, it collapsed in 1907 during construction, killing 75 workers. The lead engineer, managing from afar, ignored warnings about bending steel. By the time he ordered work to stop, it was too late. 20,000 tons of steel plunged into the river. The inquiry found the design fatally flawed. The bridge was heavier than calculated, and the main supports were too weak. Despite tragedy, the project continued with a new design. In 1916, disaster struck again. A lifting device failed, dropping the central span and killing 13 more. The bridge was finally completed in 1917 and stands today. The collapses led to the Iron Ring tradition in Canada, a symbol of engineers' duty to public safety. The Quebec Bridge is a lesson in the dangers of ignoring warnings and inadequate supervision. Accurate calculations and listening to those on the ground are critical. Engineering is about more than ambition, it's about responsibility. The bridge's legacy is a constant reminder. Lives depend on getting it right. Every engineer in Canada wears the Iron Ring as a pledge to never forget. The cost of hubris is written in steel and stone. From the St. Francis Dam to Rana Plaza, these disasters are heartbreaking reminders of what happens when ambition, oversight, or greed go unchecked. But they're also stories of change. Each tragedy led to new safety standards and a stronger culture of responsibility. The lessons learned were paid for at a terrible price. Today, every bridge, dam, and building stands on the foundation of these hard-won lessons. Engineering is about solving problems, but above all, it's about protecting people. If you found this video informative, like and subscribe for more deep dives into history's biggest lessons. Let's keep learning from the past, so we never repeat it. Thanks for watching.